Hey guys, what's good? It's your boy 13 from 13.com. I'm on a mission to educate musicians all across the globe on creating professional audio that they've always dreamed of. I do this through online coaching and tutorials, and I'm a professional producer, rapper, and singer. So guys, today, you know what? For those that don't know, I'm a huge fan of WWE, World Wrestling Entertainment. I have been since I was 2 years old. Me and my son absolutely love it. So Roman Reigns, I don't know if any of you guys watch it. If you do, drop a comment below and let me know who your favorite WWE superstar is right now. But one of my favorites is Roman Reigns from the new school. Obviously he's out with an injury at the moment. I think he's got something wrong with his blood. He's got cancer in his blood, so he's out. So in memory of him right now, and hoping that he comes back real soon, I sampled Roman Reigns' theme song. So here it is. Here's the beat. Yeah, here's his original. So what I've done, I've actually changed the pitch slightly, and then what I did was I downloaded, for those that don't know, head to looperman.com for some cool loops, some drum loops and stuff. I was in a rush. I didn't fancy playing out my own drums, so I listened to a few drum samples and I downloaded a couple, and I slapped this one in it. Sounds pretty dope. Tell me what you think. Hey. And then I went ahead and added a bass. Woo. And then I added like a synth. So yeah, that's the Roman Reigns beat that I sampled. I had just had fun with it, really. As I said, shout out Roman. If you're listening, get well soon. You're probably not, but anyway, get well soon. Guys, if you want to download this pack, you can head over to my website. If you've got Fruity Loops already and you're a producer, you want to start making beats, you can just download this sound pack, and you can just, absolutely for free, you can just download it, slap it in, change the sounds, or do whatever, just to give you a structure and a template, if you want to sample any other of your favorite theme songs or whatever. So just a quick short video. Leave a comment below your favorite WWE superstar and who you want me to sample next, and I'll sample the shit out of that shit, and I'll give you guys it to download for free, and you can tweak the fuck out of it as well. So guys, 2019 right now, this is my 4th video in. Let's get it. See you in the next video, guys. Peace.